guys.
Okay naman. Kamusta ang araw mo?
Okay naman, kakauwi ko lang. I had work kanina, event.
Oh, wow.
Very
Booked and
proud.
busy.
Busy.
Saan ikaw galing?
Sa BGC, sa Mega Awards. Mega Mag Award.
Anong ginawa mo doon?
Wala, nag-attend lang.
Ano yung AGC? Ano? AGC? Ano?
BGC?
Ah, BGC.
BGC.
Gets.
Sa Mega Magazine Awards.
Ano yung sinasabi nilang ASG?
Shh, huwag kang basa ng kung ano-ano, Kuya Ben.
3 letters lang yun. Mali pa din.
Ano yun? Text kita.
Ano yung ASG?
Uy, kinakabahan ako talaga sa tao na to.
Uy, Kuya
Oh.
Ben, I found out na ano
Hi.
pala. Same pala tayo ng building.
Ah, dyan ka din sa ano?
Oo.
Ah.
Basa mo?
Same with Oh my God, Vrix. What is happening?
Okay, alam ko na. Nag-comment sila dito.
Ikaw nagsabi niyan, tapos ako yung tatanungin mo.
Sino ba
Sino?
yung may... Sino ba?
Iwaki?
Or di
Hindi ako, malay ko dyan.
Di ako.
Grabe.
Okay,
Kaya
tapos
pala
dito.
glowing ka, Vrix, ha?
Galing talaga ako ng SM.
Kasi nga, galing ka ng SM.
Ikaw siguro yan, Kuya Ben.
Feeling ko din, si Kuya Ben.
Mapula lang ang room ko pero wala. Na-meet ko si Waki one time lang sa ano,
Sa meet and greet.
sa meet and greet.
Si Vrix din actually.
Doon mo lang din siya
time
na-meet?
din.
Oo, doon ko siya nakita.
Oo.
Ay wait, so madalas mo nakakasama si Cholo?
Oo, kasi nandito rin siya. And best friend ko siya like 2 years na before yung...
Ah, gets.
Na kami mag-
Eh, bala ka ba yan, friend ni Cholo?
Kaya siguro next month.
Next month.
Next month.
Friend mo si Cholo next.
Naka-schedule na.
Si Cholo na hindi na nagla-live.
Oo, ano yan eh. Sad boy era niya ngayon.
Totoo nga.
Nagpapahinga lang.
Oh.
Miss niya mag-live eh. Miss niya
Miss
yung
niya.
viewers niya. Oo.
Gets.
Nagtatarot reading ka daw.
Oo, pero tagal na eh. Actually, yung first live namin ni QD and Sa, yun yung ginawa ko, nag-tarot reading.
Kuya Ben, nagpapatarot ka ba?
Hindi, takot ako. If it's for me, it's for me. I don't wanna know it.
You don't wanna know. Bro, I respect that. Ako kasi wala lang, trip ko lang, fun lang. Pero di ko
Oh
naman,
shit! Oh
Hindi
my
naman
God! Wait,
seryoso.
you mean you're doing the tarot reading?
yeah.
You are doing that, ano?
Yun yung
Sige,
first live
try
namin ni QD. Oy, pero wag, if natakot ka, wag lang.
Hindi naman ako takot. Like to what extent ba yung reading mo?
Wala, like just if you have questions about sa future mo, ganun.
Oh, okay, sige.
Gusto mo ba?
Try natin. Natry mo na ba, Briggs?
Okay, wait. Kunin ko yung guide.
Try mo na ba?
I've been doing that kasi.
Ano? You've been doing that?
Yes. I've been practicing.
You've been practicing? Can you practice it?
It's been a while. Pero hindi ko siya ganong sinasabi dito online.
Yes.
Totoo ba? Riggs?
Pero gusto ko din makita. Siyempre, interested ako. I wanna see.
Sige.
Parang nakita ko yung tarot mo, card captor sa Sakura eh.
Actually, meron.
Pokemon card.
Si Gio ba to? Ay, ibang Gio pala.
Hindi pa kayo naka-live?
Hindi, I just tuned in. Mix yarn.
Kuya Ben.
Ala! patingin.
Sorry.
Naging konyo na din ako. Ito kasi si Waki eh.
Konyo ba ako? Yung tarot cards mo.
Wow.
Hindi to tarot card, trip ko lang.
Kompleto. At totoong meron din siya, no?
Cool.
Nanood din ako niya ng bata ako eh. Kaso Tagalog version.
Tagalize.
Tagalog version. Windy, watery. Di ba yan?
Oo.
What do we need to do, Joaquin? How do we address you?
Waki, call me Waki.
Waki.
Ayun, Waki. Wait, hinahanap ko dito. Yung guide. Kasi I forgot na eh. So, isip muna kayo ng question or like something na
Sige.
you want to find clarity. It can be like love,
Do I
career.
say it out loud?
Yeah, you have to tell me.
I have to say it
kinakabahan
out
ako.
loud. Ako din. No.
Di pa ako master may guide ako dito.
Sige. Like, can it be, like how specific?
Give me an example. I can tell you if it's too broad or too specific.
Like, magla-live ba kami next year? Ganon.
Okay, sobrang yan, that's too specific. It can be like, kunwari you want to find clarity sa career mo in the next year. Pwede yan.
Alright, I got it.
So, put it in love, career, friendship, family.
Kinakabahan ako.
Okay, guys, chill lang to. Di naman to totoo actually. For the vibes lang.
Biglang sinabi niya, di naman to totoo.
No, pero alam mo, lahat ng nire-read ko ng tarot, sabi nila sobrang accurate, sobrang nag-help sa kanila. So sabi ko, okay, sige. Go lang.
Okay. How about mauna si Brix?
Bakit ako?
Volunteer.
Ikaw talaga, ikaw na yan, kaya mo yan. Kaya na ng claw card yung akin eh.
Okay na ba yan?
Kaya ng claw card to.
O sige,
Ako si
Vic,
Shaoren.
ikaw daw muna.
Shaoren? Sige, ako muna.
Go.
Specific, no?
Tapos dapat hindi yes. Dapat hindi yes or no yung answer. Dapat like open-ended question ganun.
Open-ended? So, hindi siya like, is this career gonna go like this? Ganun.
It can
Basta
be like
yes.
that, pero like the cards kasi tell a story. Like yung answer is hindi yes or no.
Like,
Will I fall in love next year?
Okay, pwede yun. Okay. We're gonna find clarity if may in love si Kuya Ben next year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was like, thinking of...
Do I sound like that ba? Alam mo, minsan I'm here to live with you guys. Baka...
but it's okay.
Arte.
Okay lang yan. Nag-a-adjust naman kami. Ganyan din ako
Huwag na
dati.
kayo mag-adjust. Dapat matutunan ko kung paano mag-Tagalog.
Hindi, you sound nice. So I don't think there's any problem with you.
Oh! Galing.
Galing.
Ang may problema na kay Kuya Ben lang lahat.
Ay, bakit? Bakit ako?
Hindi ko lang tayo dito.
Kuya Ben, the sun back reverse. And then yung second card mo is death na upright. And then yung hindi masama yung death card And then yung last card mo is high priestess. So for background kasi yung tarot cards story siya. So check natin kung ano yung story dito. Di pa ako master, so dapat may guide ako. So pag reversed sun siya, it means na parang it talks about yung inner child mo na medyo overly optimistic ka or ganun. So yun yung first meaning ng card. And then yung second card, death. Death actually represents like, di naman bad yun. It represents rebirth or parang may big change na that's coming for you. So I think the cards are saying na with your love life or how you look at love, feel ko maiiba yung mindset mo this year. And there's actually, the High Priestess cards din shows na parang you already have the knowledge you need, pero hindi mo siya, you're not listening to yourself, ganun. So basically, yung story dito is like, you have to change your mindset and you already know what you need to do to find love, pero hindi mo siya ginagawa.
Trembling.
Relate ba? Like, relate ba? Do you relate?
I can. Sobrang tama. I can relate. I already know what I want. But sometimes, even if I know what I want, I cannot control myself. But,
yeah. Parang that's what the universe is saying na you have to change your mindset. Pero you already know what to do and how, and you know, paano maging yung best version ng sarili mo para you can find love. Pero hindi mo siya ginagawa. And if you do it, you'll find love na this year.
Wait, question. Yung sa deck mo, kasi
Wala,
lahat ng
bakit
lumabas
sa
is
deck niya?
major arcane eh.
Kung ano.
Yung deck mo, lahat yun kasama or puro major arcana lang?
Major arcana lang. Kasi di ko pa na-master yung minor.
Okay, gets. Kasi I was surprised na lahat ng lumabas is major. So I was like, okay.
Kasi, alam mo, that's nice. No, ako I'm mastering the major muna before minor para di ako
Got it. Okay, gets.
Ganun. So does it resonate with you ba, Kuya Ben?
Yeah, it does on a logical level.
Yeah. And also the High Priestess talks about like untapped, ano ba dito? Parang untapped knowledge na parang may alam ka. Pero parang may intuition ka pero you're not going for something din. So, ayan. Yun yung reading mo about love.
So if I tweak my mindset
Yeah,
and actually follow what I think I deserve, then I will find it.
you will find it. And totoo kasi yun, with love kasi it's like you are what you attract. So of course, kung iba yung ginagawa mo, you're gonna find people na iba din yung ginagawa nila.
Gets.
Dapat same mindset kayo with your partner. Di ba, Bricks?
Yes.
Trembling.
Gotcha. Okay.
Gotcha.
Galing.
Okay.
Nice.
Ayan.
Next ka na, Bricks.
Ay, ako din.
Oo. Ano ako lang?
Sige.
Dapat parehas tayong trembling tonight.
It's been a while kasi since somebody actually does that for me. Sige.
Bakit? Sino ba gumagawa sa
Gcash
inyo
na lang ako
lahat?
after
Ha?
Wala. Sabi ko Gcash na lang ako after.
Okay, mababan ka din.
Bawal, no? You can't say that, no?
Online wallet na lang.
Wallet pala. Ay, sorry. I forgot.
Pera na lang.
I'll
Ganun.
go.
Ano tawag dito? Pwede ba yung will my business prosper next few months?
Okay, about career.
Before the year ends.
Yes.
Your business, career,
Yes. Hindi
this
career, business.
business. Okay, we're finding clarity about Kuya Vrix's business this year. Okay.
Yes.
Your first card is Justice upright. Second card is Strength reverse. And then the Emperor upright. Okay.
Hala, sa akin lang yung may debt.
Or hindi masama yung death. It just talks about a need for change or rebirth. Ganun. Or parang
Ano yan? Hindi mo na sinashuffle yan? Walang bawal.
shuffle ko. I do. Always.
Kini-cleanse mo yan?
Hmm?
Kini-cleanse mo yan per reading?
I usually cleanse after, not before. Kasi I believe na yung bad vibes or yung bad energy, feel ko important din yun para sa whole story.
Okay.
Yung mindset ko. So I cleanse everything after na. Okay. Grabe, I haven't done this in so long. Kalimutin ko na. Justice. Okay. So justice talks about, ayun, fairness, truth, cause and effect. And then strength. Strength reverse talks about like, baka may self-doubt ka or low energy lately. And then the last card is the Emperor, which talks about authority and establishment. So actually, may story na siya dito. I think the universe is trying to tell you, Kuya Vrix, na reminder pala yung message ng universe ngayon na it's about like, if you want your business to succeed, you have to know na lahat ng ginagawa mo, that's the result. Like, it's reminding you na you can't just leave it to the universe or parang you have to be hands-on with your business. Pero the universe is saying na maybe lately you're not working as hard or may doubts ka sa sarili mo. Relate ba? Or,
Maybe.
yeah.
Working on
Maybe.
it.
And then, but yung ending naman ng story is good naman na parang you're gonna take back your authority, you're gonna get back into your groove, ganun. It will work out. Pero it's a reminder na you really have to be involved more than you already are ngayon. Parang reminder siya na may konting warning na if hindi ka like 100% focus sa business, like it's not gonna work out as much. Pero if you focus on it, and you really work hard for it, ayun, medyo basic yung message, pero yun talaga yung message.
I like it. Ang ganda
Medyo
ng
basic, pero
It makes sense.
it makes sense, di ba? It makes sense
Oo.
naman. Oo.
Habang naglalaro yung pusa sa likod.
Grabe naman yung background music. Grabe naman, nakakatakot. Rix, do you know how to read ba? Yung card?
Magkakaiba kasi tayo ng way of reading eh. But I do respect your way of reading. Hindi kasi ako pwedeng
That's how I
magsabi.
read. Oh. Pero I'm interested, if Gika, you should read me sometime. Kasi I like learning din how different people read. Kasi iba-iba yung yung interpretations kada reader, di ba?
Oo.
Ako, i-read ko kayo.
Oh, sige nga.
3 cards, diba?
So, 3 cards. Pwede din more. If skills ka.
Are you like... Anong problema mo lately?
Ito, may tanong ako, Kuya Ben. This person that I'm talking to right now, how does this person view yung situation namin? Like yun yung gusto kong malaman.
Kasi hindi kayo aligned.
I mean, hindi ko alam if aligned kami. Ganun.
Feeling ko, isa lang ang card na may ibibigay ko ngayon.
Ano?
Sabihin mo stop.
Stop.
Iniisip pa niya kung paano i-assess yung situation. So,
Ano yun?
hindi ko alam. Universe ang nagsabi niyan. Nakaganon siya eh. So, the eyeglass ang tawag dito. The eyeglass.
Eyeglass. Oh. So parang, like iniisip pa niya, di pa siya sure. Thinking pa siya.
Thinking
Ganun.
pa siya.
Yes, alam mo, sobrang accurate yun, Kuya Ben. Ang galing mo.
Pero kasi, doon yun sa other person. Pero pag ikaw, yung binunutan ko ng card, waiting ka pa.
Nag-wait, ganito, waiting
Yes,
lang.
waiting ka
Okay,
pa.
gets. Makes sense, makes sense. Makes
Pero
sense.
makikita mo din siya. Medyo malabo lang. Medyo blurred lang siya ngayon. Pero makikita mo din eventually.
Gets. Okay. Thank you,
Be patient.
Thank you so much. Laking tulong yan.
O di pala tayo mag-read-readan no, tatlo next time.
Sige, next time, G.
We read each other.
Try natin. Ang ginagamit kong deck, 3 eh.
Totoo ba? At the same time?
At the same time.
Kinakapala ko sa mga kaano mo, bricks, mga padek mo.
Ha?
Teka. Kaya ko lang isang deck lang eh. Di ko kaya yung tatlo.
Hindi, it's been a while kasi since I'm doing this. So, pwede ko i-share minsan sa'yo pag magkita tayo.
G bro. G.
Sa akin, text nyo na lang.
Hindi, ikaw yung panabla ka dun eh. Kailangan.
O G ba? Kuya Bricks, mag-read ka ba ngayon or next time na lang? Baka di ka comfortable sa live, ayoko tayo i-pressure.
Actually, I already did. Pero hindi ako comfortable sabihin sa live.
You did?
kami.
Totoo ba? Kaya mo ba mag-read na walang question?
You already did.
Like you read
Pwede
me?
po yun?
Hindi, nagtanong na siya kanina, di ba?
Yung question para sa'yo, Kuya Ben. Yun yung yun yung...
I'm
Pero
confused.
kulang yung
Ano?
Di ba I asked you a question, Kuya Ben, kanina about the person na how does that person look sa situation namin. Tapos
Nag-read na siya for you?
Oo. Galing ah.
Asan yung card mo? Eh, di ba card captor yung nawak mo?
Ang dami.
Dami mong cards.
Daming deck. Ano yung sa akin eh.
Grabe, deck master ka talaga, Bricks.
Manipis lang yung deck. Kapag kay Bricks, ang fake ng decks niya.
Grabe ka.
Yung sa akin, manipis lang.
Okay lang yan. It works naman.
Ang kapal ng deck mo, Bricks. Kaya ka talaga kinuha for avocado.
Kuya Ben. Kuya Ben. Kuya Ben.
Kasi malawak ang mo, perspective in life.
True, Kuya Ben.
Ganun
Ano
talaga
ba
yun.
pinag-uusapan? Avocado pa rin ba ang pinag-uusapan?
Hindi kasi, kaya ka kinuha ni Ma'am Ana dahil, hi Jenny! Hindi ako natutuwa sa mga pa-abs mo kahapon. Hindi mo ako madadaan sa gift. Anyway,
Ano, Bricks? Bricks, sabihin mo, okay lang yan.
Hindi kulang kasi yung details eh. Tsaka normally kapag nag-ask ako 3 questions, lagi kong ang sagot ko kasi,
Galing pala
what
ni
you
Bricks.
want, what you need, what you will be having. Lagi yun yung sagot.
what you want, what you need, what will you do, What will you happy having?
Oo. Ano yung gusto mo, anong kailangan mo, anong makukuha mo.
Galing.
Pero makikita mo yan, meron niyang instruction. Pwede mong gawin yung ganong term. Pwede yan. Kaya yan.
Master ko muna.
Maganda nga rin yung sa'yo kanina eh. I appreciate nga yung kaninang galing eh.
Thank you.
Paano kine-cleanse yung tarot card?
Pwedeng moonlight, pwedeng sunlight, pwedeng stones, pwedeng
Pwedeng stage din.
sage.
Have stage here. Na-practice ko rin yan kasi wala lang, for fun lang.
So kapag wala na po akong content, anong gagawin na lang po natin dito ah?
Tarot reading!
Uy, pwede ako magganyan, tapos ang pangalan ko Benedict.
Uy, galing.
Pwede, di ba?
Benedict. Ang galing ah.
King Benedict. Saan mo natutunan yan? Bakit mo inumpisahan? Sino nag-encourage sa'yo?
Una
Ano
lang,
favorite mo
bored
color?
lang ako
Saan
sa
ka nanggaling?
photo one day. Tapos, YouTube lang, ganun.
YouTube lang? Saan mo binili yung deck?
Copy. I mean, you also nice, sorry guys.
Okay lang yan. Magkano ngayon ang cards? Ay, ang cards. Ang daming deck ng bricks talaga.
Patingin ng deck bricks.
Deck reveal.
Deck reveal.
Di
Wow.
marami pa to.
Anong pinaka-favorite mong deck?
Yung akin,
Ano yung sa'yo? Anong kulay?
yung black.
Yung black.
Ano bang nangyayari? Bakit may sound trip yung isa? Sabi, bakit may... Meron siyang sound trip sa gilid, oh. Nakakatakot yung sound trip
Yung
niya.
Illuminati music.
Dapat, alam mo, yung mga sound effects ko for vlogs, pwede pala sa live. Ngayon naisip.
May mga sound effect ka na, no, habang nagla-live.
Oo.
Pero ito talaga yung favorite ko.
Smart yan.
Pwede yan eh, di ba?
Ang
Ay,
ganda.
The Maze.
Oh, I have it. I don't have that card, yung The Maze.
Hindi, ano to? The Glow card to. Glow card to.
Ano?
Glow card to. Glow card,
Blue
Sakura.
card.
Ah, okay.
Wala ka talaga makikitang The Maze dyan.
Sabi ko, saan yung maze dito?
Sakura to, babe. Wala to.
Kaya pala.